Is she beautiful or what? I'm going to tell you guys all about it. It's a little bit of an adventure, I must say. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, I have 2 BMWs. Yes. I do not have the KTM anymore. Hopefully this camera is good. I'm going to tilt you up just a little bit more. There we go. I'm going to try 2 cameras today. All right. Bam. Let's go for a ride. Full tank of gas. It's a little lighter than my 17 model. I'll play it safe and let this guy go. What is that little red thing right there? Is that cruise control? Well, look at that TFT screen. I love it, just like my R1250R. I can't believe I got this bike, guys. I can't believe it. I'm back on the S1000R. Now I have 2 absolutely spectacular bikes. My R1250R is the best. I love that bike. I've gotten more and more comfortable on it. It is just great in every way. Going around town, going for longer drives, taking some longer trips. That'll be it. The R1250R. And this is just going to be my super fun play toy. And I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I will miss the KTM, but there's something that has just tugged at me with the S1000R. So here we are. Now, if you will look and see, I did a vid and I was not comfortable on this bike. Yes, the seat is hard. It just is. But look what I did. The handlebars. I had handlebar risers put on it. And boy, did it make a difference. Did it make a difference. I am so much more comfortable now. I think once the seat breaks in a little bit, I am pretty close actually to flat footing this. Pretty darn close. But I'm thrilled to be back on the S1000R. I saw my old one at the dealer and I took it out for a ride and I'm like, man, oh, dude, I miss this bike so much. It's so fantastic. And I was so happy with it and I just wanted to be more comfortable. But you know what? I can have the best of both worlds. I had the money to buy this. So I said, why not? Wow, anyway, so let's talk about these handlebars. They were able, gotta go. They were able to, and it took a little work. They took some risers off of a GS, actually, I believe. And I guess it took about 3 hours. They had to shave something off of the riser, I think, I don't know what they did, but yeah, they took it off of a GS, they said, they had in the shop. They took really good care of me. Guys, if you are ever on the Central Coast of California, oh my gosh, and you want a BMW or a Harley or a Honda, Santa Maria Motorcycles, the guys there are so amazing. Every time I want to show you, the light turns green. Brought it up a solid 2 inches. Solid 2 inches. Maybe 2 1/4. I don't know. And I don't know if it brought him back at all. Maybe just a hair, but there was, it maxed out the cable for sure. Andrew, my buddy Andrew at BMW, he looked at it and said, you have cable room. We can do this. Let's try it. And I said, okay. But tell you what's great is this quick shifter and auto blipper. Oh man, it is incredibly smooth. Mirrors, you know, they're not bad. I can see pretty well. I'm not looking at my shoulders. Oh gosh, the throttle response is also amazing, but hello, it's a BMW. And I gotta tell you, I am a BMW fan. I really am. I just can't see myself getting anything else. Yeah, I was thinking, ooh, you know, you've never ridden a Harley. And there's that new Harley Sportster S, I think, that looks kind of intriguing. But, I can't. I gotta stick with BMW. I love these oak trees. Love them. Look at that. I just blipped down to third gear, and it was like nothing. I love this color. I guess it's like a silver with the yellow letters. I dig it. Dig it. I like it better than the red. So this is the sport model, and then there's one more above this, like the M, you know, the M class. It's got the probably like $3,000 wheels and some super duper chain that hardly needs any maintenance. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is so smooth. Oh, it is like nothing when you shift it. Oh my goodness. Gary's so funny. He's like, I don't understand. Don't you already have a BMW? Yeah, but he's so wonderful. Now, question is, am I going to look for a more comfortable seat? That's a great question. As I said, this bike is so new, there's probably not a lot out there yet, so I may have to be patient with that, but I would like a more comfortable seat. The bars are wide, nice and wide. That's one of the things I do like. I love the handlebars. And I love the looks. People are taking off early for the weekend. Everybody's working for the weekend. Guess who sings that? Loverboy. Ooh, 86. It's too hot to go this slow. Come on, people. I wonder if I should go around. You know what? I think I'm going to. I get to shimmy to the front. Shimmy, shimmy, boom, boom, shimmy like a boom, boom. Hello? Oh, okay. I was gonna wave, but you totally looked away. Be unfriendly. Gosh. Oh, it is so smooth, I can't even tell you. It's so smooth. Oh, man, I better hold on here. Holy moly. You know what? I actually need to remember that I am breaking this bike in. So when I'm riding with Gary, I will probably ride the 1250. And I think when I'm off by myself, I will ride this bike. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I wouldn't mind my feet being a little lower, a little more relaxed at the knees. That would be really nice. Okay. Shake out my hands. All right, here we go. It does have the sports screen, which I'm not on right now, but it does come with the sports screen, which is so cool. Gotta take this bike out and show it to my buddy Chris Moto. He's got the double R. I do love the lightness of this bike too. It just feels like nothing. Well, guys, thank you for joining me, sharing my joy. I hope you're sharing my joy, not going, oh my God, that lady, what is with her? Can she not make up her mind? but you know what? That's the fun of the motorcycle world. Should put my blinker on. That is the fun of motorcycle world. Just get to try so many different bikes. That's what's so fun about it. Oh, this quick shifter. Spectacular. Oh, this bike is going to be so fun. If you like BMWs, that's what you're going to get on my channel now. And my husband rides the 750 GS. We're getting some like lights put on the forks for him to make him super visible. And this guy's gonna pull out in front of me. Oh, it's just wonderful, guys. Love it, love it. It is great to be back on the S1000R. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, all right. Let's get one more look. Let's get one more look, guys. Why not? Yeah. Okay. Do you like it? I like it. I like it a lot.